Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sourdough bagels step by step. First, you'll want to activate your sourdough starter. Feed it 8 to 12 hours before you plan to mix your dough, ensuring it's bubbly and active. This crucial step guarantees a strong rise and that signature sourdough flavor. Gather all your ingredients like bread, flour, water, and salt to be ready for the next stage. Next, combine your active sourdough starter with water, bread, flour, and salt in a large bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a clean surface. Knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough back into a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it bulk ferment for 3 to 4 hours at room temperature. After bulk fermentation, gently divide your dough into 8 to 10 equal pieces, aiming for about 100 grams each. Shape each piece into a smooth ball, then use your finger to create a hole in the center, stretching it slightly to form the bagel shape. Arrange the shaped bagels on a parchment-lined baking sheet, cover them, and place them in the refrigerator for a cold proof of 12 to 18 hours. Finally, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit with a baking stone or tray inside. Boil your cold-proofed bagels for 30 to 60 seconds per side in simmering water, then drain them well. For a cleaner kitchen while you bake, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Bake the bagels for 18 to 22 minutes until they are golden brown and have a chewy texture. Enjoy your homemade sourdough bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.